Whee! Yeah, we got some stuff for that. There's always something wrong, but I think we've gotten to the point where we can live. Mhm. Yeah, we were talking about both of those. Mainly because we were talking about like you having to put the phone behind you, take a picture as you're running away, because you can't do it properly, right? We were talking about something like, yeah. Is there? Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. Your mic isn't on.
Oh, my mic's not on. Wow,
It's
that's been
Bill's
fun times.
buddy.
That's fun times.
We took your
I don't know why
stream over, buddy.
You totally did. Wow. Well, thank you. Thanks for letting me know that. That's weird. I don't know. I don't know how that happened. Anyway,
Okay.
So, all right. So
putting up good
right.
stream habits, and one of us needs to be a sound checker.
I think we got to. All right. So, all right. So basically, the idea is, as you can see, like when I come here to this corner,
Yeah.
right? I take the phone out, and I got to get the camera mode. Right. You notice how that one turns yellow?
Yeah.
So, like, that's the idea, is like it detects where the walls are, and it will turn if the back one is detecting a wall and the front one isn't. So it's kind of detecting corners, which is like that's cool and everything. But there's a couple of problems. One is if I'm close to a wall and I turn the wrong way, it just kind of turns on its own towards the wall, which is not helpful. And two, I can't like immediately look at the phone. I have to kind of move away from the wall to see if I took a picture. So that's kind of the two problems. So if I can, so I think that's why I think I might make it manual. Either make it manual or make it an option that you can turn on and off.
Both of those work, but I have a curiosity. Can the thing detect two walls?
Yes, so it does detect two walls, and if it detects two walls, it won't turn. But I think honestly, handling it.
Well,
what's up,
what I
Boosh?
was thinking is, if it can do that, why not extend the thing?
Everything's
And
going alright.
If you're in a corner and it's turning, it should detect both the wall you're at and then the wall you're going around.
Yeah. So I think more of it, I think really having manual control over it, I think is going to give the player a little bit more. I think it's going to make the player feel better, I think, in general. So what I'm going to do, like, as much as I like the automatic idea, and I think the automatic idea, I think it's a clever solution. I don't think it's doing what I want it to do.
No.
So, what I'm probably gonna do is I'm gonna probably like take like I'm just gonna like kind of block out the logic there, turn it on manual, and see how that feels. But then also like I could put in an option somewhere that you could turn on to do that. The biggest thing being, you know, if I can take out some logic, I'll do that. Like taking out logic in order to make the game run a little bit smoother is great. So.
Well, your buddy, someone turned in a 250 bits for a...
What is up? Talk like a pirate. Oh god, I need to get a drink to do that. Hang on. I need to get a drink.
Oh, Lisa Lord, we gotta get a drink for this. I have no idea how to talk like a pirate. I'm gonna try and fail.
This thing racks up my voice. We gotta talk like a pirate redeemed. Alright, here we go.
What has thou done?
So what we're gonna do? What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the code. We're gonna go to the code. We're gonna go to the code. We're gonna go to the pirate code. We have to go. We have to keep to the code. That's what we're doing. We're gonna keep to the code.
We're following you, Captain.
See, it's great because I can talk about code, and then it's the pirate code. Get it? It's a joke. Keep to the code. And what's up? We got. Hold on. Let me give you the thing. There you go. Now you can talk.
Oh,
There we
yeah.
go. What's up?
There we go.
Welcome to the party.
We on a stream. We'll be talking
We're on
about pirate
stream.
I realized, like,
Your
oh,
life.
I can be here.
You could be here. Exactly. So, all right.
Yes.
So the goal is All right, I'm done with that. The goal is. I know, right?
I'm like, I got all these. Let me do something to troll a little bit.
Yes.
I
How am doing
mean,
this? Close device, open device. Set
it's,
corner. Okay, so corner. This is where we're at. Screen click, scroll sub panel, display panel.
So the
So,
a funny thing, since we had the pirate thing brought up, I thought I would tell this. So a friend of mine also streams, and they have a country accent version of this where they have to talk like they have to thicken their accent for about 15 minutes. It is so fun to just pull that off when she gets raided.
oh dear.
And then she gotta go all apple darling on everyone. I'm like,
Oh man, look at this. We're getting all the bot raids. I swear to God, we're getting all the bot raids.
why?
I don't know. Pain. All right.
We have people talking. They should be leaving us alone.
Ghost, if you wish, I can be your mod.
I may do that. I may do that. We'll have to see.
Mhm.
All right, update.
Because I moderate on like 3 other streams.
Yeah.
You might be too busy, my man.
It's
I got it.
weird. It's like
Information
the
also?
other ones
No.
barely have any. I think it's because there's like so little people streaming in the software development that the bots are like going by category.
Okay, here it is. So this is the corner origin stuff. Okay, initialize camera.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what I was doing. So I was doing this on slow update. If the devices have blah blah. All right. So what I'm going to do is.
Oh, you have a unique Discord image thing.
What thing? What unique Discord? What
Oh, I looked at the screen and realized Bells had a unique one and wasn't using their Discord thing.
That's fair. Yeah, I gotta figure out how to change that one. I don't know how to change mine. But whatever. Okay.
We can do that later.
I mean, mine is my own art because I know what this program is. I've used it before.
I mean, fair. I'm also using my own art.
Bell, I am staring at you.
Yeah.
Like intensely
Okay.
too. Like this is
I
fighting
was
game
literally on the
scene.
website to go like change it because I have newer stuff I could probably
Focusing.
use.
That's fair. Yeah. I have
Okay.
not updated mine in a bit,
So let's.
but I
let's
like my
do
spinning
this.
circles. So
Let's do this. Let's set it to. I'm trying to think of what I could set it to for the moment. Like I could set it to the mouse left and right.
maybe. Like putting my thing on.
We could do. Yeah. So if. Input. Get. Maybe get button. I guess. Media.
While they're doing that, how you doing today, Bells?
I am okay. It is. I don't know where you guys are located in the world. It is currently 87 goddamn degrees.
Joke's on you. I have air conditioning.
My dad doesn't want to put it in yet, and I'm like, bro, it's gonna be like this till Saturday. What do you mean
Tell
you
your
don't want to?
father that if you want to keep your house from falling apart, get AC. Literally, some houses will fucking start falling apart.
I don't know, bro. It's New England. It'll snow and then it'll be 80 tomorrow.
Oh no,
what
man.
I know what I have to do. I must
There's-
put the garden hose on top of your roof.
I am like suppressing the need to be like 87. That sounds kind of light.
What? What do you live out
Yeah.
west?
I live in the middle of screw off nowhere, and I work in 100-something degree weather, pushing things.
You're just like torturing yourself
What
at
was
that rate.
I have lost the ability to tell the difference between -20 and 120. That range feels the same to me. I can't anymore. I don't know why. I still sweat, but
I
it's now
don't.
getting. It's getting to the point of it's kind of dangerous for me because if I don't notice,
Heat stroke.
I will heat stroke.
Okay. So all right. So what I've done, I've set it so that if because
really?
I don't know if everybody's mouse does it. Does anybody else have a mouse that goes left and like a mouse wheel that goes left and right? Out of
I do.
curiosity. I don't
I
know
do,
if
it's
everyone
fancy.
generally does, and I don't know if it's a good thing
Nobody
to put it
has
on
a
that.
ball.
I mean,
I
I've
have
seen
these
people that
little
use a ball.
buttons that like change the sensitivity of my mouse on the fly
Maybe this is
for
a
no
bad idea.
reason.
Yeah.
I
Let's
mean,
do-
you can always set it to where if it's a mouse wheel that you have to scroll through it, you just have to
But the scroll wheel does the phone,
You-
like going
up
through
and
it.
down.
Yeah, let's just do
Just
like
left
a
and
get key instead, just for testing.
Yeah.
Code dot F and G. So it's keycode dot F.
Hello, real hit there. Hi.
Hello, you
Hi.
came from the Discord. Hey, what's up? Welcome to the party.
Hello. We be nerding out here.
I be
So
in Unity too, trying to figure out where I keep all my stuff.
Unity 2. They came out with a DLC.
I'm the dev. Connor, I need to update that.
should we prioritize left or right? That's a question I got.
For what again?
Because like, what happens if they hit F and G? But that's okay. I'm not going to worry about that.
I would probably go F then G, so left then right. Because
What's up?
that's
What's up? Welcome to
that
the
sets up
party.
things better.
Hey there, XD Reaper. Feel free to hang out here. I'm still sort of figuring out how I want to handle the whole live Discord thing, Reaper. And so since I don't know you super well, I'm gonna keep you muted. I hope you don't take offense to that. I guess
Beware, you can
how
talk
Artie
in
deals
the
with it is
open chat.
so there's
on
two
the
ways
thing.
you could do this. You could do this where you set a stage and basically whoever you want to come up can raise their hand and they can be on the stage with you.
Well, I figure it'll probably be just like if you're a person that I've hung out with in voice chat like off stream before for a little bit, and I don't think you're gonna start like yelling racial epithets or whatever, then then I'll
cringe
probably
if they
be
do.
fine. If you're not
Don't
cringe,
worry, Reaper. You'll have your chance.
Yeah, but as I
Just,
was saying, you can use the live stream chat thing, and I'll mention things you're saying. Either that or talk through the Twitch. I'm monitoring both.
I did forget to. Yes. There we go. Do that.
So-
What color we got? Let's go cyan.
Cyan.
All right.
Here we go.
And I gotta fix I haven't done the lights in a while too. I gotta fix the lights.
Oh, here we go. We're going full blast.
If you heard a motorcycle going past my house, no, you don't.
We heard nothing, but now that we know, we're gonna triangulate the sound to find out where you live.
There we go. There we go. All
I'm gonna
right.
be real. People who go down my street think this is a main fucking street, and people would hear of a fast car, some motorcycles going down there. Like, "Are you outside?" I'm like, "No, I have my window open."
Oof, that's the
Another
whole
person is
bit.
going to chat.
We got the
What's
dev
up?
Connor.
It's the Dev Connor.
So the real hit here. We got the real hit Connor.
What is up?
I don't
What's
know
up,
why
Connor?
my brain combined it like that.
Okay, so
Connor from Pirate, I believe.
oh, it's here.
Hmm.
All right, so what I'm doing here at this point is I'm doing it based on F and G, right?
All right.
So ooh, it
Yeah,
is
that's
suddenly
possible to hit.
lagging really bad. I think it's because of those get keys.
Ooh.
I don't know. Wait, it's still not. Wait, it's still detecting the. Hang on, something's not right. It's not safe. Oh, I didn't take this part out. That explains it.
Hmm. I would. Hmm. I have a shrew.
Let's do this instead of getting a get key. We're just going to do a get key down. And do direction left. Similarly, we're going to do a get key up. Down here. Your keyboard is coming through though, bro.
Yeah. Person's all like, "Come hang out." I'm like, "I got dinner soon." So what I'm telling him is when I go to dinner, I'm probably gonna head out and then go hang out with them.
Right.
So.
What I'm gonna do is.
Why can't I deconstruct the bread?
I don't know why you can't
We're
deconstruct
gonna
the bread.
do if input dot get key keycode.g.
Yes. We're gonna move the mic.
Device direction right. Yeah, so basically I'm going to do that here. And then this thing is get key up on this one. So this could just reduce the calls to the keyboard, essentially. So, this one F, left. Okay, so. If cam on turns, you'll not do any of this other nonsense, any of these checks, if the camera's not even on. Okay, so yo, what's up, Dev Connor? You joined from Pirate. Oh, cool. Appreciate it very much. Thank you.
Huh?
Yeah. Good to have you. Good to have you here. Good, Dev Connor. What's up? So, all right. So I did. So let's test this. I'm pretty sure this is gonna do what I want it to do, but it's gonna manually control stuff. I really need to get some of basically an input handler for a lot of the stuff that I do that's kind of specific to this game. I'll need to build one. Right now I don't have one, but I probably should get one. That way I can do things like changing out controls and stuff like that. Because right now it sort of does not do that. So we're going to open the phone, go to the camera. Okay. And if I do F, it's not looking left. I think I can't.
I don't know anything about coding, but I think if you yell, "Please work, damn it," enough, it might work.
I think that's fair.
I mean, so that's how I feel like with spreadsheets sometimes. I just sit there and go, "Work, damn it."
This is working,
Yeah,
but
that's
if
all I
I
can do.
get rid of this, I think it might be. Oh, sorry. I think it might be that the cam on thing is not set. I think is what it is. So let's do that again.
Yep. All right, round 2.
Yeah. That
So
tells me
you
there's
went
something
to
wrong with the
StreamYard and then
camera.
I yawned. That's
Oh, I'm
baloney.
sorry. That's StreamYard.
We all
That
yawned.
StreamYard's hard. It's a hard one to deal with. Okay, so again, I don't even need to go to the corner at this point because it should work anywhere. Holding down F, not doing anything.
It's a lot smoother so far.
Holding down G, it's not doing anything. device position. What am I doing for that device position thing? You know what? I bet I did something here. I did. No, where's the animator part? Is that here? Or is that in the controller?
Hmm.
Green click, scroll sub panel, display panel, open gallery, now setting. I don't remember if I was setting this in the camera or not. I think it was not. I think.
I gotta skedaddle. I will still be in your stream, though.
Oh yeah, yeah. Take care.
Have fun.
I will catch you guys another time.
Hopefully, we'll see you this coming game.
Yeah, hopefully. Later.
Whee!
It's the Do Corner preview. So it's a thing called Do Corner preview. It's this one. That direction. Okay, cool. I think I figured out what it is. Alright, so it doesn't have to do with cam on. It has to do with this. So current direction. And I can probably do this on, probably do that on fixed update. Do I have current direction in here? I might. Because honestly, I could get rid of a lot of the stuff from the controller at that point, right?
Probably. And freeing up
So-
space in the controller might simplify some things.
Yeah. So we're gonna move device animator. No, we still need the device animator, don't we? Yeah, we do. Device
Yeah, we do.
animator's here. Okay, so we got that. That's fine. Device animator set in direction. So then media camera here. Do an update. So we're gonna do this in fixed update, so it happens a little bit less often, just slightly less often. Do corner preview. The corner preview is right here, but it takes in a direction, and I don't think we necessarily need to do that. Unless we keep track of that one, which we could. Which is that device direction. I'm gonna move this over into camera. Oh no, it is in camera. What the heck? Okay. Device. Current direction. Alright, so that's fine. We're gonna do this, private, device direction. Current direction. And I'm not gonna worry about any of this. That. We're not using this anymore anyway. We could later. Check on position. Okay, cool. So then
I feel like the next time you work on things, you might need to do a cleanup day where you go through and it's like, are we going to or are we not?
Oh yeah, for sure. Controller instance device position. Yeah, I don't need the device position here anymore, because it's going to be handled in the camera controller now. Yep, it's gonna all be in the camera now. So this will just be current direction instead. So we're just gonna set this here. Okay, cool. So now we set that, and then in fixed update, we can do this with current direction. Cool. So then I can also get rid of that little indicator as well. Should solve some of the problems that I got. I think honestly, it'll solve a big chunk of them.
There we go. Solving problems is always nice.
Solving problems. Solving problems.
Solving the problems left and right.
All right. It's open. Cam.
Desperate times come for desperate
There we go.
measures.
Holding down G. Holding down F. So, yeah, I feel like that's going to be better from a general, like, standpoint.
Gameplay.
Well, I need to make this happen a little faster, but other than that, I think this... So then I can do this, take a picture, and look back and see what I got. You know, or look here, you know. Take a picture, see what I got.
There's a part of
So
me that's all
that's-
like, nah, keep it at that speed. Have the horror thing of just slowly creeping around.
I don't know. I feel like it needs to be, like... Needs to be a little
No.
snappier, but not like...
A little snappier, you're right. I just have like that Resident Evil thing in my head. It's like, but the reason why the mechanics are bad is because it incites horrors, and I'm all like, but you can
Yeah.
do things still.
I think I need to get I need to do like an input controller kind of thing. Because right now I don't handle it super well. I do it in a bunch of different update methods. And that's a thing I could definitely fix. So, but
Yeah.
that's a relatively quick fix too, come to think of it. So, let's look at doing that.
Don't add too many
see.
things to yourself. You still want to work on the other thing today.
No, you're right. No, you're totally right. But I mean, this would be an easy fix. Let's do this. This would be in what would it be in? Not special, not character, not animation. Common. No, not common. It's in core. Do an input bridge. Did input bridge? Might be. Input bridge is the one I
And
use
if
on here? I
I-
think it is.
I did remember the proper length for this.
Use the input bridge? Or is this static? Oh, it is static. Okay. Okay. Alright. If that's the case, I should probably put that into my general managers, actually, as a thing.
Who the hell would artificially color peanut butter?
Input bridge.
I can think of several reasons you would do that. None of them are for food.
Okay. Alright, I know what I'm doing. I have an idea what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do
I am
is...
not explaining myself.
Okay. Let me get rid of some of the ones I'm not using here. So visibility tree, get rid of that one. Audio tree, get rid of that one. The door, get rid of that one. Audio manager, get rid of
I
that
think
one.
it's
So
funnier.
okay. Okay. So this is my thought. Okay. So I have this is the thing. It's called the input bridge. I'm gonna make this a singleton, and I'm gonna make it. Like you guys weren't here for this, but like a month ago, I made a thing called Nova behaviors, which are like they're just extended behaviors that can call a thing called on slow update. So I have an update cycle. So like update happens every frame, fixed update happens every physics frame, right? And then I have a thing called slow update that happens like basically I have it happen every second, but it could happen less than that. And in fact, I'll probably have like a couple of different update cycles for it. But I want to so Nova behaviors can do this on slow update thing. And I'm getting a redeem hydrate, so I'm going to do that real quick. Damn, that's good. Where's my tea? Here's my tea. It's good. Okay. So I also have singletons, and I have Nova singletons. So I'm going to make this into a Nova singleton. And so what that means is that on slow update, I can have things happen. So I can do things related to inputs that are kind of, important to happen. Right now, the slow update happens on, I want to say it's like every interval in the Gib utility manager. Just right now I think is set to 1 second, but I can change that interval, right? So that's kind of one of the big things.
Remember, peanut butter.
Yeah, so this happens every second, and I probably could reduce that down. I'm always thinking about maybe making a quarter of a second instead, or make a slow update and a slower update, which is another possibility.
To have like 2 separate check times.
Yeah. So it's a possibility. Hello, what's up?
We have the Mo Bubbler.
Oh, it's Bubbler. What's up, Bubbler? Me give you the unmute here. Hey, what's up? Welcome to the party.
Hey, I have a question for you.
Sure, what's up?
Basically, I want to know, can you give me stream permissions real quick?
Why?
Oh no.
Oh gosh.
I want to ask you how to do something in Udon.
Yeah, give me just there we go.
Okay, so basically, I want to make it so that either the World Master or a specific player, whichever is easier, can only see this menu. So he really wants it to be the case.
So just the master to see that menu.
Or one specific player.
What you would do is is you do an on-player join, and then you check whether or not, when you do an on-player join, you check whether or not the local player is a particular name, and if so, then do it that way. Yeah, if you use your script, I could write for you right here.
Pretty sure I think I know how to do this then, if it's that easy.
Yeah, it should be that easy. It should be...
Player.
Yeah.
And then, okay, so, let me open that. Okay, so, we want to on player join.
Oh, you're doing it with the nodes again, yeah. But yeah, you do on player joined. What you're gonna do is there's a couple different things you could do. It depends on if you are worried about someone not being the master later and you need to double check. If not, then I would say like you just do if that player is local. So actually from the VRChat player API node, you just do is local. If that is true, and if that VRChat player API is master, so you're gonna do another noodle from the player. No, from the VRC player API player on player joined. So you get a second noodle is master. Okay, so if that one is true and the other one is true, so you're gonna do like a bool of, so have a second noodle coming from, no, you don't need 2 branches. You're gonna have one branch that's gonna have No, you just have both of those bools go into the bool slot. It should be both of them. Will it not let you do that? Is there a way to combine them? Like do an and? Can you look and see if there's like an and? Like a bool, combine bool. I don't. Bool. Oh, let's see. This is where it's like. Okay. I guess you do need 2 branches. Oh, condition. Yeah, I guess you need two branches then. I guess you do 2 branches. Yep, 1 branch followed by another branch. So if they're local, and they are the master, then you turn that game object on.
Oh. Okay.
It's just game object.set active. That'll do it. So when someone joins, if the person that joined is you, and you are the master, turn that game object on. If you want to check by name, which is another thing that you can do, is you would check whether or not their display name matches a particular variable.
I think I should do that one, just in case someone disconnects. Okay,
yeah, that's probably fair.
Wanna...
So you could even have an array of display names. That's another thing you could do.
Okay, so wait, I make a variable called display name.
If you want, again, I could write this as a script for you real quick.
No, it's okay. I wanna learn is the thing as well.
Yeah.
So what's the variable called that I need to make?
You're gonna want to make a string array. So it'd be like a string
array. Okay, this
one of those. You know.
Wait, actually.
Yep. And what you would do is you say, when the person that joins, if they're it starts the same way. So one player joined if they're local. So that part's the first part. So because you're only checking whether or not you are person. You can get rid of the master part, get rid of the second branch. Or actually no, keep the second branch because you need to check that display name. So player names. And now you're gonna pull a noodle out of the VRC player API player. Okay. So you're gonna get display name.
Get display. Oh, okay.
Okay. And then pull a noodle out of string and put that to lower. So type in lower.
Oh, I don't know what.
String dot to lower. And then pull a noodle out of that string. Now you do the equals. So that's going to take the string, the display name, and it's going to put it all into lowercase. That way you can compare it without worrying about capitalization. Equals. I'm sorry. So it's actually not going to be. It's not going to be equals. It's going to be. It's going to be string. Oh, it's going to be a contains. If you pull out of that string array from player names, will it give you an opportunity to do contains? Doesn't. Can you create a new data list? DATA-LIST. Data list. Okay. This could be a data list. You're going to create one of those as a variable. So data list. And just call this names list. It's just because of the way that VRChat handles arrays and lists and stuff. It's just gonna be. So this one, names list. Should be able to initialize it as. You can hit the drop down next to names list for me. On the left.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, wait a second. Yeah, right there. That's it. Perfect. Player name. Hit player names. Perfect. So what that's going to do is when this initializes, it's going to take that player names array and it's going to turn it into a data list. So now when you pull from that string thing on the yeah, right. Oh wait, no. What is that? Oh, that's just setting the variable. Okay. So we should be able to do data list dot add range.
Oh, okay. That's the sum.
And you should be able to add that. Will it not let you do that?
I think it needs to be add range array or something.
Or data list. No, that's not it. Data token dot Oh, this is a pain. All right. Instead, let's just do this the other way. We're gonna do this as a for each instead. So delete the data list. You can keep the string. Okay. We're gonna do. So you're gonna start a new node that's called for each. For each.
H?
Is there a for each? Okay, just for then, I guess. For. We're gonna do. All right, so we're gonna start at. We start at 0. We end at pull out of player names, noodle out of player names, and there should be one for count or length. It's one of the two. Get length.
Which one?
The one with the capitals.
Son?
So this is going to give you an integer. So that is the length of it. So we start at 0. We end at that. And for the body of that for loop.
What about dimension?
Don't worry about dimension because it's a one-dimensional thing, one-dimensional array. So for the body of that, okay, so the body output, that's where you're going to compare the oh, this is so weird. Oh, this is so much more complicated than it needs to be. Just be like one line. Fucking hell.
If you want to write a script and send it to me, that's fine.
Yeah, let's just do that. Just do that here. I'm just gonna write. I'm just gonna paste it right here into the thing for you here. So, give me a second to pop open up. If you wanna, so yeah, so make a new. Did you get stuff
No.
created like Visual Studio for it? Okay.
No, I don't know how to do that.
That's
what do you want me to name it?
player check or whatever you want to do.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do in this case is I'm gonna hold on.
Yeah.
I have a good idea. Check this out.
Yeah.
I might not even to do that. You might just be able to name your text file player check, and it might.
Yeah. I'm gonna type it to you, and I'll paste it in the chat, and you can just paste it like directly. So that'd be the easiest way to do this. I'll walk through it real quick for you.
Where'd you put it?
No, I'm gonna type it here. So what we're gonna do is plus file. All right, so this should be my Dark Skylands is still opening. It's fast. So all right, using Unity Engine. Using Udon Sharp. What is it? What's our from using? Hang on. Udon Sharp. Click on. Just click on the script for me real quick. VRC. Using VRC.SDK base. Using.
Okay, you don't want that?
That's alright. VRC.Udon. Public class. Player check. Udon Sharp behavior. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, so we're basically doing what you were just doing with the noodles. So we're gonna have a public string array that we're going to call player names. And then we're going to have the on player joined is handled by doing public override void on player joined with a taking an argument of VRC player API player. Okay. And then inside this VRC player API player, we're going to do a for each loop. So we do for each. Okay. String. S
for each.
In. Well, apparently they didn't have a for each loop in the nodes, but that's okay. Player names.
I wasn't looking for for each. I was looking for for H.
No, that's okay. So for each string S in player names, if player dot display name.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and head out for dinner.
Dot,
Y'all have a good day.
hang on. I'll see you later. Sorry. Player dot display name dot to lower. I don't know if it's to lower. It's probably display name dot to lower. I think is what it is. I see. I really need this to open. I need this to open. Bad. Because then it'll give me the IntelliSense I need. So I could just do it in here. A test script in here. I don't even have a test script in here. There we go. Okay. Even though I've got a test script in here.
Yo, mama.
The hell?
Your mama's a test script.
All right. Player check. All right. So what we're gonna do is
What?
oops. One left to game it. Visual Studio is being slow. Come on. What's going on? Why is this taking so long? Everything's running so slow now all of a sudden. Because I gotta actually like do something. Okay, here we go. Alright, so here we go. So string player names. If player dot display name, come on, display name, player dot display name. There it is, player dot display name dot to lower. It was a capital T. Equals no, that's not right. If S equals player dot display name to lower, we're gonna have our game object, so public game object, tablet, whatever. Tablet dot set active true. And then this is going to be if player dot is local. That is not true. Then we don't care. So this is all it is right here. So we're gonna go through. We got your player names, you got your tablet, on player joined. If they are local, that's the only time we care. We're gonna go through the array and check whether or not the name of the player. May as well just do this to lower as well. If these two match, then we set active true, otherwise we don't. So I'm just gonna copy this into voice discussion.
You'll put it where?
Into the voice discussion.
You don't?
No. There you go. You just copy that exactly as it is in there, and you should be good to go. And then you'll put in, you know, you'll add in your array of names and assign the game object for the tablet. You're good. I just tagged you.
So open this with Notepad, paste it in,
Mm-hmm.
and then save as just this.
Yep.
And that should be good.
Yep. You're good. You should be good.
Okay, and then I put that on what?
You're gonna put that onto
It's got
onto
compiling errors.
onto an empty object, and assign the tablet object, and create your list of names.
It's got compiling errors.
You shouldn't have any compile errors. What compile errors does it have? It's
Syntax error, identifier expected.
no.
Oh, I'm stupid. I put my fucking. Oh my god, show me this stupid fucking. Oh my god, dude, stop texting me.
No.
What is going on? I feel like everything is going super slow right now, and I don't know why. Let's start closing some of my stuff here. Okay. Yeah, it compiled for me, so...
Is this correct the way it looks right now?
Let me see here. Yeah. Yep, just save that. And then you're going to put that script onto an empty object. And then you'll assign the tablet object and your names, and you're good to go. What is going on? Like, this whole thing is just like completely crashing for me. Like, I don't even know what is happening right now.
I put it on what object?
Just an empty object. Just a brand new empty object. Oh my god, close. Just close. Just close at this point. Like, I don't even need the project open. Just close. I feel like I'm going to close the wrong Unity here. It's going to close the wrong one. Oh my, everything is going so slow all of a sudden. Okay. All right. I think it's back to normal. All right. Okay. I was doing an input bridge. That's right. Input. Okay. Get access down. Change. Okay, input bridge, and then that's right. I could put this here. Okay. So when what just happened? Oh, come on. Heck. I don't know where the plug is now for that. That one. My headphones. Where did I plug in my headphones? Okay. Put them in over here. My goodness. What the heck? My plug. Blast today. Let's have a blast. Okay, great. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay. Input. Bridge. I keep losing track of where I'm at. What was I doing? Input bridge. Input bridge. Right, okay. Got to get okay. Right, okay. All right, someone get the key codes that I need. And a lot of this is kind of like, what's this squelching sound? The heck is this? The music is terrible. Don't put fart noises in your music. Jesus. Okay. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do interact key. Device key. Hello. Let me give you a talk power here, Damien. Or Dynagram. Sorry.
Wow.
What's up?
Didn't know if you
Hello.
were actually on Twitch or if you were.
Yeah, I am. Yep, yep.
Oh,
Yep.
okay.
Key code, we're gonna do media device key, we're gonna do the, I guess, media look left or something. Key code, media look left. Key code, media look right. What I can do is create versions of these essentially that are serialized. Kiko. This. Oh shoot, I don't know, I don't need to do this way at all. Do I? I don't. This should be a bool. Input dot get key down. Static bool instance. Guess I don't necessarily even need to. I just have this be static. And I could set it in the static inspector. Can I set it in the static inspector? Static inspector is kind of weird sometimes, so. Static inspector. It should. But it's alright. I'm not gonna worry about that. This is an internet key.
Are you the Rat King?
So, same thing down here. Media device key. Video look left. Right. And so then, what I can then do is, back here at the media camera and update, I can change these to a lot of these various static methods instead. Well, just to look left down, down, look left, left up. I'm sorry, is that right? Look right down. So, can you be unmuted? Who is it? Real high. Who is that? Oh, it's Dev Connor. Ah, yeah. Okay. All right. Sure. What's up, Connor?
Oh, not much. Cool. Thank you.
No worries. We're still sort of figuring this out.
No, no worries, man.
New thing.
I'm very good at streaming. I'm enjoying the stream so far.
Appreciate that a lot.
Give
Okay.
me nuts.
So, right down.
Oh, this code is ugly. Oh, why did I break this?
Which code's ugly?
My code, not your code. My code's ugly. Sorry.
Well, put a top hat on it.
Am I keeping?
Proceeds to put a top hat in the code, and everything breaks.
Yeah. It's normally how it goes, right?
Hey, do you know how to change the bit depth of an image in Unity?
The depth of an image, like in a canvas, or like.
No, just a texture. I want to change it to like a really low bit depth. Like, if it's 16-bit, I need it to be 8-bit.
Oh, with a
you have to
probably with-
compress it, no?
it would be a shader. I would think some kind of a shader, but I don't know. You might be able to find a free compressed shader somewhere, maybe.
I think I can just edit the original image
Yeah, you can do that.
in GIMP.
Yeah.
I just
Okay.
need this image to not take up so much resources.
Right. Makes sense.
I guess I can afford this being a JPEG for one.
We do input bridge. Dot. Look left down. I guess I need to get up as well, don't I? Okay. Right. Right down to be left up, right up to be current direction equals input bridge dot look right. That should work just fine. It should allow me to set stuff in the input bridge. That's what I want to do. Set stuff in the input bridge. general manager here. So interact key is still E. Media device key is still Q. Left is still F. Right, G. Media controller can do that. This. Bridge dot device key down. And probably, like, I want to set this with the input manager to some extent. I just haven't really been able to do that yet. So this is kind of like an in between the input manager kind of thing. And I haven't really figured out how to do like remapping of stuff yet. So
Hey, Toast.
yeah.
I cured a cleric of his zombiness, and I'm trying to figure out how to get him back home.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
At least we'll have a good source of
Yeah.
selling rotten flesh.
Right. Yeah.
Oh, you guys play Minecraft too?
Yeah,
Mhm.
there's a Minecraft server, yeah.
Oh shit! Wait, really? Oh, sorry. I don't know if you like cursing or not. My bad.
No,
It's
there's
fine.
there's a Minecraft server of
I hate cursing.
How dare you?
Where is this Minecraft
right,
server
look
at?
left. I'm gonna hold
It's
down
a
G to
realm.
look right. Let go of
Okay.
G, it goes left again.
You would have to
okay,
have
so it seems to be
Toast to
working.
whitelist you first,
Yeah.
and it's also in Java.
Alright,
Hey,
so this is
that's
all
what I play.
working, so that's good. I guess I get rid of the little visualizer thing. And then again, I probably want to. I think I mentioned that the speed of these, I really kind of want it to be faster. So, left and right. Set these each to 2. Right, I'll set this to 2. Open and close are fine. Okay. So, what I'm going to do is check this out again, open this up again. There you go. It feels snappier. Picture,
I'm gonna take all our rotten flesh and sell it to the cleric.
Yeah. Okay. What? Oh, that's weird. Okay, cool. Now I don't have to worry about environments and corners and stuff like that because I can just automatically look around them. I still got to figure out how to make sure that like the camera can't see through walls. Like that's gonna be a whole different story. Maybe doing that with a raycast to check whether or not there is, something between player and the wall or something, and then turning the camera off if that's the case.
how weird C++ syntax is.
Hmm? What's up? And then we were working on the gallery, which I was got stuck working on this. In the media gallery. Media gallery. Gallery. That's what we were working on earlier. And I didn't do it. Okay, so.
Do you know the cheapest blend mode?
Cheapest what?
Blend mode?
No. No. Oh, like blend mode, like for textures or for
alpha?
Additive. Additive's cheapest, followed by multiply.
Cool, thank you. That's awesome. That makes me so happy. Okay, let's make this car a property.
Are you inaccessible, aren't you?
No.
Remember, a cat can still judge you.
Address of stack memory associated with start. Would I not need to define it as a C string? Oh, yeah, I should just. Oh, okay. All right.
Gallery done.
So, anyone eat anything good recently?
I had something called spaghetti carbonara. It's basically spaghetti, red sauce, garlic, olive oil, peppers. Jalapeno peppers, and chicken. I use it normally comes with shrimp, but I use chicken instead.
Go.
Maybe we can unmute Reaper now? Or Daijin? I don't know.
Daijin Goomba.
Alright. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off of here then, folks. I guess we'll do some stream on Friday. I'll catch you all for Friday. We'll do a big Friday party stream,
Vincent
so
decided
have
to
a
mute
great time.
himself.
So I will catch you all later on. See you.